Check it out, y'all. Let me try and get some of this lightning. The mountain back there. Let's see what happens. Sit still. That's where it's going off. See if we can catch one. It's been going off. I've been watching it flash out here. Let's see if we can catch it. I want one back that way. Come on, lightning. Where you at? A second. Maybe behind me. Just leave my camera out and just watch it. Down pretty good. Still not getting any bolts. Oh, there went one. I just missed it. That one's gonna be loud. What's this? That was it. Can't predict where the next one's gonna be. Can't predict this stuff. Backwards. Where's it gonna hit? Over there? Over here? Come on. Let's see it. Back in a minute if they don't come out. Oh yeah, I saw that one. That one just whipped on up in there. That was pretty cool. Catch another one over here. That was pretty cool. A drop of water hit me right in the eyeball. Yow. There goes a balloon or something. Something went flying. See ya. Come on, show me some more, Storm. I'm gonna sit out here much longer. It takes a minute for it to build. Some this way. Come on, hit it. glad I got that one anyway. Oh, there went some. It was all straight up there. You hear it crackling. Holy cow! That was out of sight. Man, we'll be checking this one real soon. This is lightning frying the whole sky up there. That was too cool. Got some more? Got some more. It's all charged up there. Building. Building. When we build so much and it's got to release. Where is it? Waiting. Come on, I know I'm going to turn my recorder off, but a big one's going to hit right here. Now, next time I see a flash, that's going to be the end of it. There you go. There it went, flying. I saw it. Let's wait for the crash. Coming. There it goes. Anyway, that's good. It's 7 minutes. Got a couple of good flashes. Y'all be safe. Peace.